Quick video here about a licensed copy of a reconnaissance drone Russia called Forpost, which is based on the IAI Searcher drone Israel developed in the 1980s. Russia has made a newer version, the forpost-r, which has striking capability with a cost of around $6 to $7 million. In a recent video, this drone was targeted with 2 surface-to-air missiles. The first one missed while the other seemed to hit the tail of the drone. While the camera continues to turn after the hit, possibly by getting damaged, the drone seems to be fine, but reports of the drone crashing later was stated, most likely losing control as the blast fragmentation piercing the shell. The SAM system targeting the drone was not stated, but looking at the missile, while very low quality, we can most likely rule out the NASAMs, the IRIS-T and the Hawk, as neither has the black tip of their missile. It's also hard to see if there's any fin in the middle or front, but it doesn't look like it, further missing the IRIS-T missile. It could possibly be the French Crutal system, as it has the black tip on the missile with a similar body, which is a short-range surface-to-air missile system developed by Thales and Samsung. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.